Right, so I now have the pressure washer connected to my water source, and I also have it connected to my power. So let's go ahead and give this a quick demo. I did want to quickly point out that these are quick connect nozzles, so all you have to do is put the nozzle here, pull back on the neck, and then you're good to go. Alright, so to turn on the pressure washer, all you have to do is turn this knob to the on position. So now this is on. Let's give the trigger a squeeze. Alright, so first up is the 0-degree nozzle, and this is great for cracks. Next up, this is the 15-degree nozzle. This is great for cleaning driveways. This is the 25-degree nozzle. This is great for cleaning fences. Last up, this is the 40-degree nozzle, and this is perfect for cleaning cars with.